So I ordered a 2015 iPad Pro, aka the first generation 12.9-inch model, because I wanted one to do a 10-year retrospective on. My mom used to have one, but my mom gave my dad the iPad after she got her 2020 iPad Pro, and the iPad has since broken. So because I still want to do 10-year retrospective and so I could fill out what my collection, I decided to go ahead and buy this 2015 iPad Pro off eBay for $85. I'll put a picture of the listing up right now. So yeah, this looks like it came in a box for an HP laptop, and I'm not revealing the top of this box. It has my address and all that information. So let's just go ahead and that is an ice cream truck outside my house, which I apologize, but I have no control over. Let's go and let's open this box up. Make sure that works. Okay, looks like I'll do the other one. I apologize, my desk is not wide enough to hold my tripod and this box. So right here I have the actual iPad itself, which I'll go ahead and take out of its package. And from what it looks like, that's all there is. So I'll go ahead and set that aside, and we can go ahead and take a look at the actual iPad itself now. So this right here is literally just bubble wrap. So as you can tell, here's some more protective film, which I do like. This how seller uses good packaging. And we have some stickers, which I do not like, but as you can tell, it's a 32GB model. Could have 128GB, huh? Guess we'll find out the storage once I set this thing. Guys, it's gonna require Goo Gone. Don't put stickers on devices, sellers. They're nearly impossible to clean up. All right, that's good for now. I'll have to get the rest of this off later with Goo Gone. Let's go and let's power this baby on. And as you can tell, this thing is booting up now. And as you can tell, it's on iPadOS 16, which I expected. So yeah, it does have a spot in it right here, but that's just fine. I gotta scroll all the way down to the United States. I'm just going to go ahead and set this up, so I'll be back to you once it's set up. So right here, this iPad Pro is running iPadOS 16.7.10. This is actually a 128GB model, which is really cool. And yeah, all I have to wait is just for the apps to finish downloading, and this iPad will basically be all set to go. So, as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes family, and as always, peace out.